Okay, guys, regarding the bounty point quest videos that I've already showed you or uploaded, this will be my last one until I get more quests under my belt as far as earning bounty points. Here's what the bounty points are best used for. You go to the Bounty Master. This one is in Druid Legion on the PvE side. There is one in the Relic Town in Crouching Gorge, Cryer Treflin, or however it's pronounced. There are different items available. As you can see, I am working on Bountycraft. There is also different kind of items. Like if you're working on your champ levels, you can buy scrolls that'll give you bonus experience. These give you realm speed. You can buy a horse if you haven't got one of those. If you need rare alchemy components, I don't know what the rare potions are. Some of this stuff I don't buy. Looks like some of it may be crafting items because I have perfected armor patterns in my vault. There's realm point bonuses. If you're looking for items for your template, you might find something useful in here. I'm not sure. It all depends on what type of character you're using. They've got all kinds of items there. And then on page 4, they've got some Ethereans. They're not real expensive. I haven't looked at them, so they're probably not real good. The focus of this video, though, is going to be particularly on Bountycraft. Alright, as you come into hitting level 50 and working on your template, Bountycraft is two purposes. One, it gives you access to items like Auralite, which ain't available because the catacombs are off limits right now. Alright, it also gives you the capability to finish out your templates if you're working on Curse, Otherworld, Frozen, and different items. Darkness Falls, which no longer drop seals. They drop bounty points now in the Darkness Falls location. So if you're used to using the seals to get items, now you're going to want to use Bountycraft. If you've already got the items and your durability is getting low on those items to where you can no longer repair them, this skill can also be used to replace the item. Alright. The reason that I wanted to make this video as far as why Bountycraft is so important. One, there's no skill to it. It starts at 1. All the items you craft are 0. It does not skill up. Any level 50 player can do this. You do not have to have weapon crafting, armor crafting, or tailoring, or any of the other skills. Alchemy, spell crafting, none of it. It does give you access to extremely powerful items. This is the Soul Infused Boots leather armor. Notice you must be level 50 to wear. I'm just using this as an example. Hits 45 points, strength 15 points, dexterity 15 points, adds both to the stat caps, which can now go to 127. So if you're at 101 on each, this would put each of them to 106. It's got a nice amount of spirit resist at 10%. It also adds to melee and style damage. And it's got a really nice healing proc. My champ armor is not this strong. Okay, and it has a secondary proc on it that I'm not sure how it functions. It starts out with a 30-second heal over time every 5 seconds for 8%. And then when it expires, according to the literature, it casts it over and over and over again. Like I said, I haven't made this item. I can't equip this item yet on a character because I wear scale on my character. I'm just using this as an example. So if you're looking to make a template and you're having trouble getting access to some of the stuff, running the bounty point quests can get you some of the items you need. As far as the ancient mirrors and the stardust on this specific item, stardust can be purchased by two means: a legendary alchemist or player housing, or the in-game merchants. If you have a house, potion, tincture, enchantment merchants will sell it. I believe there are NPC merchants that sell it in the relic towns, in the new frontiers. If you buy it from a merchant, it's 2 plat, 500 gold per unit. You may be able to find a better price from a legendary alchemist. I myself, my character in-game is legendary alchemist. I can make the stardust. So if you're looking to craft these items and you see me online and you need the stardust, send me a private message. We'll work something out. The ancient mirrors and the rare alchemy components, if you don't buy the boxes of them from the Bounty Master, you can farm those in Coruscating Mine. They do drop. They also, as I covered in videos with the bounty point quests, the supplies for the cause will occasionally drop them as well. Now, as we can see, I've already got two of the items necessary. I am going to go ahead and craft these boots and see what I can do with them, or sell them, or maybe equip them and see what they do. As always, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop me a line in game. I set these videos up for children to watch too, as this is a video game. So comments are going to be disabled on any of the videos that I make regarding this game, because this is a game that can be fun for all ages.